students, today we will continue our reading of block 18 physical features of earth. So this is your content book. Open page number 10. We will start our reading from features of different water bodies. But first we revise what we studied in the last class. In the last class we studied about physical features of earth. Physical features include land and water bodies. Okay, so we studied about hills, mountain, desert, plains, plateaus. Okay, students, today we will discuss about water bodies. So read with me. Water bodies are areas covered with water. Means the area which are covered with water, that is water bodies. They can be big as an ocean and as small as a pond. They can be big as ocean. Students, one thing, 70% of earth is covered with water, but that water is saline water, मतलब salty water. ओशियन का और सीज का जो वाटर है वो सॉल्टी वाटर है, सो वी कैन नॉट कंज्यूम दैट, एंड द फ्रेश वाटर इज ओनली 2.5%. Okay students, and the oceans are very big water body and very small water body is pond. Rivers and streams are also called water bodies. Beta, rivers and streams are fresh water, means we need to drink, okay, this water. Rivers are also flowing water and streams are also flowing water, but streams are like small river. हम stream को small river बोल सकते हैं, okay? And fresh water bodies क्या क्या हैं? River, stream, pond, lakes. Okay, river and stream are flowing, lake and pond is stagnant water, means रुका हुआ पानी होता है pond और lake में, और river and stream flowing water, and they can finally meet to oceans, are also called water bodies. Okay, this is a pond. So pond is a small and having stagnant water, मतलब रुका हुआ है पानी, and pond is, yes, कवर्ड फ्रॉम बोथ साइड विद लैंड. पॉन्ड के दोनों तरफ क्या होता है? लैंड होता है जहाँ पे प्लांट्स ग्रो करते हैं. एंड लेक भी सेम, दे बोथ साइड हैव, यस, बोथ एंड हैव लैंड एंड दे हैव ट्रीज ग्रोन ऑन दैम. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन अ पॉन्ड. पॉन्ड इज अ स्मॉल फ्रेश वाटर बॉडी दैट इज surrounded by land on all. मैंने आपको बताया pond and lake have, yes, water body that is surrounded by land on all sides. Lakes are bigger than pond. Lake can have either fresh water and salt water. Mostly तो lakes have fresh water, but sometimes they have saline water because lake and pond have stagnant water. मतलब lake और pond में कैसा पानी होता है? रुका हुआ होता है. In lake sometime water is saline, नमकीन पानी हो जाता है लेक्स में. वाई? ड्यू टू द इवेपोरेशन प्रोसेस. सॉल्ट रिमेन रह जाता है लेक्स में और वाटर जो है वो इवेपोरेट होने के कारण सॉल्ट की क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा हो जाती है. ड्यू टू दिस रीजन समटाइम लेक्स ऑल्सो हैव सॉल्ट वाटर. Okay, then seas and oceans are the very big water body and they have salt water in them. Rivers have fresh water and streams are also like a river, but they are narrower than the river. ये narrow होते हैं और small होते हैं किससे? river से. Okay, okay students, so read this book block and we will meet in the next class. Bye, take care.